morning, guys. I just woke up for the day. I'm getting ready and I'm gonna go hang out upstairs with Beth, and Jesse and Maddie are coming over and we're gonna watch that new movie San Andreas. So I'm excited for that. Otherwise, I'm just hanging out. I think I have to take Beth to therapy today, and then I'm gonna call work and see if I could go into work today. So it's gonna be a very eventful vlog again for you guys today. Woohoo!
And then push, pull, and then back and forth. So if you want to go ahead and start with just a straight lift up to the waist and down, and just mix it up, and then next time maybe short.
Drop it on Allie.
To the pet store. Make fun of me. Hey guys, so Jess invited me over, so I am at her house now and I'm about to feed Madeline lunch. Are you ready for some lunch? Huh? Are you ready for some lunch? So that's what I'm up to right now, and then Jess is gonna clean her room while I hang out with Madeline, and then I'll probably head home for dinner. Oh, what a day. I don't remember if I said this, but I did not. I called work and there was no work available, and look what grew in my nose. So disgusting. I'm so attractive. Jethro, where is she? Jethro, where's Mama? Jethro, where is she? Uh-oh. Madeline. Jethro. Jethro. There's a Jessie walking in the sunset. Now there's a Jessie standing in the sunset. A wild Jessie in her natural habitat. Texting on her phone. Walking very slowly because she's not watching where she's walking. I have been spotted by the wild Jessie. Hey guys, so I am home now. I am just starting to edit the video for you guys today, and then I'm going to eat some ice cream and relax. Beth and I ran to the gas station with Boomer, but it was dark so I didn't film it, but it looks like they found a car to buy for Beth to drive, so that's exciting. I don't think anything else happened today. Oh, I'm tired. But tomorrow's exciting. I'm meeting the family and the son for a nanny job that I might be getting. I don't know if I brought it up or not, but hopefully that goes good. Boomer can come because it's long shifts, and it works out that she would be okay with him coming. So yeah, hopefully that works out. And other than that, nothing is going on for me tonight, so I'm going to close this vlog. I want to make sure I did that because I've been forgetting the last couple nights, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just realized you can see what I'm doing with my hand. Hey guys, hey. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.